Welcome to the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. This is Nature Crafts with the Loxahatchee staff, and I'm Ranger Serena. And today we're going to be having fun with fruit. We're going to be making an actual banana snowman. I hope everybody can see it. And a banana snowman. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need a banana. You're going to need some strawberries. You're going to need some grapes. You're going to need a carrot. You're going to need a skewer of some sort. These are 4-inch. The longer the better. I probably should have actually gotten some actual skewers. But I thought that they would be too big around. But if you guys, not toothpicks because they're too short, but something longer. And then some raisins. So what you're going to need to do is, this is probably, you could do this in the kitchen, would probably be the easiest. But have mom or dad cut the banana for you, okay? So you're going to cut the banana and then cut the a little bit off of the carrot for his nose, okay? And so you're going to take the banana and you're going to, and I'm just going to do it right on here. You're going to take the banana, 3 circles of the banana. You're going to line them up. You're going to take your skewer and you're going to just push it right down the middle, okay? Of each of the bananas. And then once you get that, then you're going to take your strawberry and cut it in half. And that's going to be his hat. And then you're going to actually take the grape and you're going to actually cut it just a little bit off to be able to have a little top notch, like a little beanie on the top. And then you're going to use your, you're going to cut the little sliver of carrot will be his nose. You can put that right in the middle there. And then the raisins are his buttons and his eyes. So then you end up with something that sort of looks like a snowman. And so this is really fun, and happy eating. I'm going to go ahead and wolf these down, and I hope that you join us again at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. Here's 2 upside down, 1 upside down, and 1 right side up. Banana snowmen. Thanks a lot for joining us. Bye-bye.